So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to hard reset Spectre monitor, factory reset, OSD reset and power cycle. Quick summary: use factory reset from OSD menu. Reset OSD settings if menu issue occur. Power cycle to clear temporary errors. Factory reset using OSD menu. Press the menu button on the monitor to open the OSD menu. Use the navigation button to move through menu option. Press the menu button again to enter a selected function. Navigate to the system menu using the arrow buttons. So scroll down and select reset. Press the menu button to confirm the reset. Wait for the monitor to restore Sceptre factory default settings. Then press the menu button again to exit the OSD menu. This reset display settings such as picture, color system option and OSD adjustment back to default values. So power cycle reset. Turn off the monitor using the power button. Unplug the power cable from the wall outlet. Wait for 30 to 60 seconds. Press and hold the power button for 10 seconds. While unplugged, optional but helpful. Plug the monitor back in and turn it on. Clear temporary glitches and refresh internal memory. If reset still doesn't work, try a different HDMI or DisplayPort cable. Test another input source or computer. Check resolution and refresh rate setting on your device. Make sure cables are securely connected. Thank you.